Welcome back to ASMR Foot Care and Massage Chronicles. Welcome back to ASMR Foot Care and Massage Chronicles. In today's session, we'll be focusing on a common toenail condition: thickened, yellowish, and brittle nails. Many people experience this, and while it can look concerning, proper care and attention can make a big difference. This video is designed to be both relaxing and educational, offering gentle insights into nail wellness. If you enjoy this calming space, don't forget to subscribe and join our community for exclusive experiences. The surrounding skin is just as important as the nails. Dry, cracked skin can increase discomfort and even lead to complications. Applying a nourishing cream or natural oil around the nail bed helps restore hydration and flexibility. Consistent moisturizing supports overall foot health and prevents future issues. The yellowish color and rough texture you see here are common signs when the nail has grown under stress. The first step in improving nail appearance is careful trimming and filing. By gradually reducing the thickness, we restore comfort and prepare the nail for healthier regrowth. Using sterilized tools is essential to avoid irritation. A gentle approach prevents further damage and makes the process soothing and safe. As gentle raindrops fall and the soft sounds of birds mingle with distant thunder, each careful trim peels away thick layers. Let your mind drift and unwind. This isn't just a pedicure, it's a slow, soothing healing, one calm motion at a time. Thank you for joining me today in this gentle nail restoration session. If you found this video helpful or relaxing, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more wellness content. You can also support our work by becoming a member of our channel, sending a super thanks or sticker for exclusive ASMR foot care content. Your support helps us create more relaxing, high-quality videos designed for self-care and education. Until next time, take care of yourself, one step at a time.